guys, this is Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing today of the altered bingo card. I showed what I did here on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to see it, I'll either link it up in the iCard or down below if you want to check that out. But this is coming to me from Rachel. She is in the Facebook group that I did my swap with. I've never swapped with her before. So here are, looks like several goodies that she sent me. So we'll take a look. Oh my gosh, I love those shaker boas, and I don't have that die. Okay, let's get to the bingo card first. What is this? That is so cool. Oh my gosh. So okay, so this is so cool. So she's got, it's almost like an embossing folder, a bingo card embossing folder. Look at that. That is really cool. And then she lightly inked up all the embossed surfaces. I've never seen that before. That is really cute. And then she embellished, she's got a little glass dome on the free space, and then she embellished with the houses. She did a little shaker flower up here in the browns. That's so pretty. Look at that brown glitter paper. It's just gorgeous. And she's got this tool behind it. And then this is adorable. Look at, as a charm, she used the little bingo cards. I don't remember, this is a stamp actually, but I remember these came with a certain collection. I don't recall off the top of my head, but she stamped this mini bingo card on there and added it as like a charm. And she's got Nuvo drops over the whole thing. It's so cute. Rachel, I love that. So creative. Very, very cute. And look at, she matched by putting the little glass dome over the free space on this one too. And then it has tons of puffy stickers here. So cute. I love the colors. That brown is just gorgeous. And look at this flower shape. I've never seen this before. It's got like a wonky center, and I really love that. Love getting things that I've never had. So look at, she sent me two of these little tiny flowers in like the orangish peach colors. And then this die, this is a really pretty die. Look at how those pop up like that. And then she did a double layer. So she's got the glittered ones that can pop up here as well. Oh, this one has several layers. Then she's got 1, 2, 3 layers of like the back pieces that look like that. This is so pretty. Thank you so much for sharing these. Yeah, so you can see on this pink one here, it's almost more like a leaf shape. And then she's got another floral shape in the back. There's just tons of layers giving it that dimension. That's so pretty. And I like how it cuts out this middle, because then, like I said, you can kind of play around with these and create even more dimension. Love that. I just love the wonky center. I think that's super cute. Okay, and then she sent me some bows. So 6 little mini bows. I love these. These are perfect little embellishment bows. And then she sent me these with some flair on them, and this is so cute. I'll get this open. So I love this bow die, first of all. I love that it is a shaker. And then she gave me 3 different colors. This tan is so pretty, and then coordinated the flare button with each one. So pretty. I'm just looking at the little sequin mix inside each one. She's got the tiniest little pearls in there, or like even like, I don't even know what to call it. It looks like glitter, but it's thicker than glitter, but it's thinner than, or tinier than a seed bead. So it's really hard to, I don't even think the camera will be able to pick it up, but that is really cool. So Rachel, thank you so much for all of this. I really appreciate it. I'm glad that we were able to swap, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.